Looking for a reliable industrial pneumatic valve? Check this out. This is the Aventics 5772-555-302, a compact solenoid-operated pneumatic valve designed for industrial automation systems. The typical operating pressure range is between 3 and 10 bar, making it suitable for most industrial pneumatic systems. Depending on configuration, voltage options commonly include 24 volts DC, 110 volts AC, or 230 volts AC. So where is the Aventics 5772-555-302 commonly used? You'll find it in packaging machinery, material handling systems, assembly lines, pneumatic control panels, automated production equipment. Basically, anywhere precise compressed air control is required.